What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have another ride and review for you today. Backstory behind why I'm going to this joint, which I'll tell you about in a minute. Recently I had a White Castle party with a bunch of food friends, and one of the guys that was there, his name's Sam. He owns Golden Diner, which is an awesome American style diner with Asian food influence on it. He recommended, well, we were on the topic of omakases, and he recommended this spot called DDO BAR, which has a unique way of serving the sushi up. The pieces come on what's called Yubu tarts. Instead of, like, you know, a blob of like sushi rice with the nigiri style fish on top of the rice, they put it on top of these little pockets of fried tofu skin, which I love tofu skin. For someone who loves meat, I have a real strange affinity to tofu skin. I don't know, it reminds me of like noodles. So I'm excited to try it. Like the snap of the tofu skin has like a noodle texture. So anyway, I'm psyched to try it. I'm taking the cake dealer there for a date night since she loves omakase. And this joint, it's only like 75 bucks. And I think you get like 13 or 14 courses. So that's pretty good. And you guys, if you've watched enough of these ride and reviews, you know how I feel about omakases. I'm usually hungry after. I had a big lunch today, so I'll probably be satisfied with the omakase. Usually I only eat one meal a day, so I try to do like that intermittent fasting shit. So when I only have one meal a day and it's omakase, I'm usually hungry after. But I think I'll be good. Had a big lunch at Steak Frites Bistro, which I've done a ride and review for that place already. That place is great. Went there and had the burger and their new French dip sandwich. Fantastic, highly recommend. But this joint is over in I think it's a relatively new food hall called Ali Ali. It's way over on the west side. It's basically like 26th Street and the West Side Highway. So right now I'm actually on FDR Drive, which is complete opposite side of town. But I'm taking this up to 23rd, and then I'm gonna shoot all the way across town on 23rd. And that should be a good ride. This is 20th right here. I'm a little slow for traffic, but it's only 3 streets, so they can fucking deal with it. Pretty soon with the Chimera, I'll be passing these guys. So this omakase is Korean inspired. A lot of the ingredients they use and flavors, they come from Korean cuisine, not Japanese. So you'll see like some different kind of stuff on the menu. a nice day. It's in the low 50s, upper 40s, sunny. It'll probably be dark. What the fuck, dude? It'll probably be dark by the time I leave. So I might do, you know, one of those cutouts that I've been doing lately on these ride and reviews. Oh, you know what? We turned the clocks, so I'll have another hour of daylight. But I'll probably just do it quick. I'll give you like my favorite couple of pieces and give you a quick review of whether I liked it or not. Man, all this road work. I would have jumped on a different street if I knew. A little bit windy today. Got a good breeze going. Hopefully no issues with the audio. I still haven't picked up a mic for myself. I don't like having all the wires. I don't want to drop like almost 300 bucks on a wireless. Those things are fucking expensive. So I don't know, I noticed that when I have it in vertical, like vertical orientation, the mic picks up a lot better. There's less wind resistance, less wind noise, because the little mic spots on the GoPro are aimed upward. They're closer to my mouth, so you can hear the audio better. And less wind hits it. These fucking guys always cause a problem. The guys that do U-turns in the middle of major streets. And now I miss this light because of that. Also, these GoPros have like 3 different mics on them. So sometimes it sounds like my voice is coming from a totally different direction. It's because it's picking up from a different mic. It's on like auto. The mic is on like auto detect, so it goes wherever the what the AI thinks is the best sound. But it's been pretty good. I like the vertical setup. It's not ideal for watching on like a big screen or, you know, like, but a lot of people watch on their handhelds these days, and you know, they watch vertical. So especially with the food shit, I've been doing vertical. But I do like doing the long form rides in portrait mode. I mean in landscape mode. I'm gonna take this right. Which is 25th. I think I'll turn here. Almost there. A couple of streets, a couple avenues. I used to love this area. Old school New York City mega clubs over here. Like Tunnel. This place, this Ali Ali Market where DDO BAR is. DDO BAR is inside of Ali Ali Market. It's like a block away from where Tunnel used to be. It's so funny how the neighborhood changed. Used to be a dump. A lot of old warehouses and manufacturing buildings over here. No longer used for that purpose. Now it's just warehouses, storage. A lot of those old buildings are getting transformed into like high-end rentals and stuff. Oh, I gotta go against traffic like a bad fuck. But yeah, this area was one of the last places that still had that old New York City grit feel to it. A lot of that's changing now. Alright, it's almost there. It's up on the right. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Ollie ollie. Alright. Alright, I'll see you guys on the inside.
I don't want to drink. No.
When are you available? So everyone just goes to me to ask questions.
So DDO BAR, I liked it. As usual, jump out to my website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review, all the pictures. I'd say my favorites were the salmon that had like everything spice on it, the hand roll, always love the hand rolls at these places, and that samjang, like the one that was on the leaf. It was like braised pork belly and it was on the lettuce leaf. So good. Give this place a shot. Reasonable prices, get a lot of pieces, and thanks for watching. As usual, tell your friends and tell your fucking grandma